Hey guys, I'm back. So today I want to show you my Lego thanos. Looks kind of the Avengers Infinity maybe. So what you need to do is you need to order this thanos. This one is from the Guardians of the Galaxy, but I took the helmet off and I collected all the Avengers Infinity Lego sets, and now I have like the blue, red, orange, yellow, purple, and green Infinity Stones. So I have all the Lego sets, and have this mouse. When I put up, I'll put it back on, and he just has like. And I got these purple arms from another Lego set called the Thanos Ultimate Battle. Well, there's a problem of this Thanos because I tried when I was trying to do something with this Thanos when it comes from the package, and then it didn't really actually put on like this because his legs are actually like this. So I could put it on, and yeah, it actually looks really cool now. It actually looks like the movie. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to make more videos, leave down the comment section below. Smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.